MNC,
New News Channel.
important news every day. NNC with Ryan.
And Isabel.
Enjoy our video.
#NNC.
We will be talking about the Australian wildfires.
September 2019 and continued into early 2020. Upwards of 100 wildfires have devastated Australia's southeast coast, killing at least 17 people.
At least 25,000 koalas are believed to have died in the horrific wildfire in South Australia, and it may have devastating consequences for the survival of the species.
Now koalas have been claimed as functionally extinct in Australia.
Please donate to Australian Wildlife. "250 houses and homes have been destroyed by the Australian fires. Thousands have sadly been left homeless. Emerson staff and students to respond to, and the first question we asked was, how much land do you think has been destroyed by the fires? So a majority of the people that responded said that 12 million acres had been destroyed by the fires, and that is true.